Hi, I'm Dave, and I'm going to show you how to sign in to your Microsoft 365 account. First, go to the Microsoft 365 sign-in page. When you get to the sign-in page, enter your Microsoft 365 email address and password. It's important to note that your GoDaddy username and password won't work here. If your web browser autofills your username and password, make sure it's using your Microsoft 365 credentials and not your GoDaddy account details. Now select Sign In. If you're signing in from a new device or location, you'll need to verify your identity by entering a one-time code. You may also be asked to trust your domain before proceeding. If so, select Continue. If it's your first time signing in and multi-factor authentication or MFA is enabled, you'll see a prompt to set up your authentication method. Don't worry, there are steps you can follow to set up MFA if you need help. If you already have MFA set up, verify your identity using your authentication method. Once you've verified your identity, you'll land on the M365 Copilot page. On the left side, select Apps to access your email. If prompted that your email is used with more than one account, choose the work or school account. And that's how you sign into your Microsoft 365 account. I'm Dave. Thanks for watching.